morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to Top Player Show. And today we'll have an unboxing, spin test, and a test battle of your Beyblade X CX13 Bahamut Blitz BK150i. Okay, so we are done talking about this on my Beyblade X Unleashed of the Bahamut Blitz, and right now I also researched it. So now I know what is that BK150i, because it means it has the Bahamut Blitz lock chip, and then the overblade, which is called as brake, and then the metal part of it, where the main blade is our Blitz, and then the assist blade for this one is what you call knuckle. So it is a CX13 Bahamut Blitz brake knuckle 150 ignition. Yeah, because its bit is called ignition. Okay, so yeah, wow. So it has already 4 parts on the upper part. Okay, and the blade, because it has this one right here. You can see lock chip. You have the assist, the overblade. Yes, we already now have the overblade, and then the metal part, which is the main blade, and then the assist blade, which is what you call the knuckle. Again, this is the Bahamut Blitz lock chip. The overblade is called brake. The metal blade or the main blade is the Blitz, and then the assist blade, which is called as knuckle. So I just want to make the parts having its names. Yep, I've researched it because yeah, I cannot read those Japanese characters right there. And we have a 150, which is very low, man, and then we also have what you call the ignition. Okay, so much for that. Let's go and let's open this one. Let's unbox so that we can see the parts of this. Let's go, let's unbox. Okay, so now we have all the parts inside, and yeah, we have a new launcher, because the launcher for the Bahamut Blitz has this one. See this launcher, man? Let's open it. The first time that I saw a launcher with this kind of wow. On the other launchers that we have, which is the one of the oldest launcher of Beyblade X, as you can see, the Beyblade X Winder launcher is above there and no designs right here. But right now we can see that it has something like this, and it's a sticker. It is printed, and the Beyblade X Winder launcher is now at this part right here, which is still the same parts, but it has just these decals or paints right there, or yeah, added details. And we have a long version for this one. As I know, I think this is the long version. Okay, so this is a different one, and wow, nice, man. It's kind of pink, which matches on the stadium. Okay, I don't know if it's longer or not with this kind of ripcord, but yeah, let's see. Longer or shorter? Let's see, man. So let's try to put them on the equal sides. No, this vial is still longer. This kind of ripcord is still longer. So yeah, but I don't know if it has an effect. Okay, but yeah, maybe it has. The longer the ripcord is much better. Yeah, but still, I like this one because you can really hold it steadily with your launcher and with your ripcord. Okay, so now next is the main part. We have here the papers, which we don't need that. We're just gonna put it right there. The main part is really the parts. Okay, now let's have first its bit. Yeah, this is what you call the ignition. Well, let's see why it's called ignition. They call this as ignition. Okay, so it has this kind of something fit at this side, and there is some circle inside, which is, I don't know, I don't think if it will touch on the stadium, but as I know, I can say that this teeth right here is the one who will touch on the stadium. So yeah, seeing this kind of bit, I don't know if it will last long on its stamina, yeah, because this kind of beats will be very active on the stadium, but I don't know if the stamina will go on or will be long enough to fight. And added with this, wow, very new 150. This is your 150 ratchet. Wow, one of the shortest. Okay, it's called 150, so it has, see that, 3 right there and then 2 at the side, this other side. Yep, so it's by 10, so there are only 5 lines, so it is a 50, and this is the shortest of all the ratchet as I know right now. And 1, wow, so with the ignition and this ratchet, it will be very active on the stadium. And the most awaited and the most important part right now is this one, your blade. And this is your Bahamut's Bahamut Blitz. Okay, so yeah, wow man, it's a very nice blade, and the blade right now is very thick. Okay, so let's try to open this with the help of the key right here, which, so we can use this one to unlock it. So let's see right there, and we can get the lock chip. So this is your lock chip, so you can see the lock chip. Wow, very nice man. In the Bakutin shoot, we used to call this as the Bitbeast. Okay, and then the overblade. Wow man, that overblade is something very nice. And also, as I know, this overblade, I know it can be transferred to other side of it. Let's see if it can. Maybe, yeah, it can. So it is located right here with this pink kind of paint. Wow, it's very nice man. It's painted, it's that sticker. I really like it when it's like that. Okay, so you can focus your overblade also on the, okay, you can really turn the overblade to different sides. Okay, so you can choose wherever side you can go. Okay, but yeah, as I know, it should be lined up on the pink side right here. So let's try to line it up. Okay, it will be like this. Okay, but you can also change according to your likeness, or maybe with the combos. Yep, you can put it like that. And I think we still have another form for this one, I think right here. Yeah, but I also like to have it on its original form right here. Okay, so I will now take out the overblade and let you see the metal blade, which is the main blade, and then the assist blade, which is the knuckle. Wow, so very nice. And it has this very thick part or thick layer right here, which it will be combo on the thick part also of the metal right here with the thick part also of our overblade. Yeah, am I right? Okay. So I will just fix it and I'll be back. Okay, so that is the original form of it. So it has this thick part here of the overblade, and then the thick part right here of your metal blade or the main blade, and then the thick layer also right here of your assist blade. Okay, so yeah, a very nice kind of blade. Now let's combine it and let's see what will be the form of our Bahamut's Blitz. Let's go man. Wow, and then the ignition. Oh wow, low, a little bit low because of the 50 layer, and whoa, and plus the 150 will be aligned on the same part. Wow, it will be a one shot, one kill kind of Beyblade. But yeah, the stamina, I don't know, it will last long. Okay, now let's try to have a spin test. Okay, together with its own launcher. Okay, let's try. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. See? I can now sense the stamina will not last long. But if it can hit the opponent at the early part, I think it will really give a big blow of it, and then it will extreme or pocket its opponents, okay, or just stop spinning or spin finish of it. Okay, now let's get a Beyblade and let's have a fight or a battle with this Bahamut Blitz. Okay, I will get my launcher, the other launchers, so that we can have the battle. Let's go. Okay, so yeah, I changed the this one right here because I want it to be equal in size or in length. Okay, so with the Bahamut Blitz, let's have a Golem Rock in green. The Hope Golem Rock. So the Golem Rock will go first, and then our Bahamut Blitz will be second. So it will not be point system. We just want to see what will happen or what will be the ability or performance of our Bahamut Blitz. Okay, so they have three. Every game has 3 rounds. Okay, so I will have 3 Beyblades right here, and yeah, let's see what will be the outcome of this game. Okay, so Golem Rock versus Bahamut Blitz. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so whoa, it's done. So let's have another one. Alright, second round, first game, Golem Rock versus Bahamut Blitz. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Wow! See that? See that? That's what I'm talking about. One shot of Bahamut Blitz for the second round. Okay, let's have another round. Okay, third round and final round. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Wow. Oh! So strong, man. That is so strong, but yeah, it's a missed opportunity for our Bahamut Blitz for that round. But yeah, still, it's strong, man. Very strong. So let's have another Beyblade, and yeah, let's go. Let's have another game with another Beyblade. Let's go. Okay, for our next opponent will be this one, our Phoenix. I forgot what Phoenix of this one. But yeah, this is the defense kind type of Phoenix that we have. I know this is the new one, but I just forgot the name. Okay, so let's go. That's how it is. That's what kind of blader I am. I forgot the name of my Beyblades. But yeah, let's go, man. Does it have here? No, it doesn't have. Okay, okay, it's a Phoenix. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Told ya. One shot, one hit KO kind of Beyblade right there. Let's have another one. Let's go. Woohoo. Okay, second round, second game also. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, another one. Strong. Very strong. What the... Let's go to the third round. Let's go. And third round, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. What the heck? I don't know what happened, if it's a burst first before the Bahamut Blitz goes to the pocket. But yeah, still, that's a very strong strike for our Bahamut Blitz. Yeah. Okay, so let's have our third Beyblade. Let's go. The very fast play. Okay, for our third, and I don't know if it will be the last because I really like to play with it. But yeah, we'll have the Tricera Press together with your Bahamut Blitz. Let's go. So I think it's all defense type kind of Beyblade that I've counter with our Bahamut Blitz. But yeah, let's go. Let's try this. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Strong, but that's a missed opportunity for Bahamut Blitz, man. Oh, it's out. But yeah, that is strong, man. If you just go to the pocket or extreme, it will be nice. It will be for our Bahamut Blitz. Okay, second round. Let's go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Oh, another miss. Extra. It's a miss. Extreme dash. That would be very strong, man. That would be very strong. Okay, so let's have another one. Okay, third round, last round. Wow. Whew, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it goes back, but no, the stamina is out. Ah. I want another one. I want to have a battle with an attack versus an attack. Okay, let's go. Let's get another one. Okay, to have an attack, let's have this man. It's a dragoon. Yeah, I just forgot again. Cobalt dragoon. Is it right? Yeah. But yeah, let's go, man. They are both right spinning, right? Yeah, it's right spinning. Okay, let's go. Let's try this. Let's go. It's on rush and ignition. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Oh, another pocket. Another one, man. Another one. Okay, second round. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Oh! Wow. It moves our stadium. That dragoon is nice. But yeah, Bahamut Blitz, go. Last round, let's go. Okay. Last round. This will be the last. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Shoot. Oh! Oh, it goes back, man. The stamina. It's out now. Okay, so that is our Bahamut Blitz. And yeah, it's okay. It's nice. But yeah, again, it's a one-hit KO kind of Beyblade. So you should be very perfect on launching it and shut your opponent the first round. Because yeah, you really need to. Because the stamina of this Beyblade will go out after the after it strikes, okay? When it releases its energy, then that's it. That's it. So let's try to unleash it with just one hand, okay? With just a launcher. So gonna have my Triceratops first, and then second will be our Bahamut Blitz. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! So there is a shoot. There is a, see that? Bahamut Blitz is strong if it can hit its opponent at the first part. Yeah, another one with the golden rock. Let's see. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. And then shoot. Oh. Okay. Stamina wise, you can see it. Okay. And then the last one, the Phoenix. Let's see what will be the outcome. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Shoot. See that? It's a really one-hit KO kind of baby. Okay? So yeah, that is our Bahamut Blitz right here. And see its performance and their spin test for it. Stamina wise, it will go out. But I think you just need to change the bit. The bit is the one that has this very crazy, strong, active play here at our stadium with the Bahamut Blitz. Okay, so that is our Bahamut Blitz, and it's a very nice kind of Beyblade, man. I really like it, but still because of its ignition type of bit, the stamina will not last long. Again, it's a one shot, one kill kind of Beyblade. Okay, so you need to be smart to hit your opponent at the first part if you're using the stock combo for this one. But yeah, you can change. That is the beauty of the Beyblade X. You can put different combos of parts here on your Beyblade, and it will be more stronger, more better, and more nicer and more menacing in the stadium if you will have other combos for our Bahamut Blitz. Okay, so that's it. So I hope you enjoy this kind of video contents, and if you do, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell for our next videos. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gampo Show signing off. Bahamut Blitz, man. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Wow, there's an overblade, assist blade, main blade, black chip.